Alright guys, so today we'll be going through how to either upgrade your existing Spark installation or install it fresh, and some of the new features you'll see with the software package. So if you already have Spark Encryption installed, you'll need to come down to your search bar, and I would type in uninstall. And we're going to go to add or remove programs under system settings. Here you'll see a list of programs pop up. We're going to go ahead and search that for Spark Encryption, and we're just going to click uninstall. And you're done. Spark is uninstalled. So to either install fresh or to upgrade your existing version, you're going to go to encrypt.thewavindustries.com/try Spark. And that'll drop an MSI installer to your downloads. And I'm just going to pause the video till it's done downloading. Alright, now that we have the MSI, we can go ahead and run that. And because we're not a recognized app yet, it may show something like this. So if you'd like to run it anyway, go ahead and click Run Anyway. So this will take you through the setup screen. So you would click Next. This is where it will install. I'm going to install it in the default location. And then you're going to go ahead and finally do the actual install. It may ask you if you would like to make changes for the app, and you're going to go ahead and click Yes. And you'll be done. So now you have Spark Encryption installed. So to go ahead and show you some of the features, I'm going to navigate to the directory. Now that's under C, Program Files, Wave Industries, Spark Encryption, and you're here. So the first thing I'm going to show you is our new Spark desktop app. So to launch that, I'm going to go ahead and double click. And this is only the debug box. So now to actually go to that GUI, I'm going to go to localhost port 555. And here you will see the dashboard for all of our products, and in future it will all be on the same dashboard. So on this first page you'll notice that we have our encryption abilities. So you can enter a password, and if you'd like to be able to see what you typed, you can click the Show Password button. We do have all of our ciphers in this, so you're welcome to choose whatever you'd like. But for convenience purposes, if you would like to totally skip the usage of a password and you would just like to use the key file that you have set up on your PC, you can go ahead and just click File Select. And I'm going to go to some test files, and you'll just see an assortment of files here. So if I want to encrypt, let's say, these bottom three, I would simply click Open, and they're now encrypted. You can see these are now 3 Sparks. If I wanted to decrypt them, I would simply need to select Files, select what I wanted, and I'm done. You'll also notice that that is only 3 clicks if the dashboard is already running. And so these are, once again, legible files. Alright, so now you may be curious about how to get reports. Well, there's several methods, but the one that works from the GUI is under the Security tab. You'll have a Generate Report and a Send Report option. Now what these are going to do, one will first generate the report by indexing everywhere you have Spark on your computer, telling you the total amount of encrypted file you have and all of the directories they're under. So generating a report will take some time. On my computer I have 1 terabyte hard drive. It is an HDD. It takes me about 4 minutes. It may take more or less time on yours, it just depends. So for now, all I'm going to show you is the send report. So I'm going to click send report and then report submit. And you'll see it's kind of doing its action up here. And current time is 3:30. If I go to my personal email, you'll see that from Reporting Spark I have a new email, and that is a PDF with what I have encrypted and where. So you can see the number of files encrypted with Spark on the top line, the total space encrypted with Spark in bytes. It looks about 16 gig, and then all the directories I have encrypted. Now, to select where the email is going to go, you're going to go to your Spark directory once more. And you'll find a text document called email info. Now, under email info, you will notice that there is the top line, which is the email that it uses to send. This second line you don't have to worry about. And then this third line is the email where the report will be sent. Now, currently we only support one email at a time, but in the future we do intend to allow you to send it to a group or a party or a network admin, setting it up somewhat like that. Now, another thing that you can do when you have send report is if it's set up, you can get it texted to you. So you would put your carrier here, and we will have a blog post detailing how to select which carrier if your phone is able to do that, and then your number up here. When that happens, it will text you that you have a report ready and that has been emailed to you. Okay, so that is how to use our GUI. Another aspect I would like to showcase is how easy it is to use encryption from just about any scenario using the Spark encryption product. So here I have a directory of .spark files made using AutoSpark. If I were to want to use these files, then I would simply need to drag and drop them onto my desktop Spark app. All of a sudden, these are all usable files again. Now, if I were to have the GUI up, I can re-encrypt them, simply selecting the files, and I'm done. They are now all encrypted again. Should I need to only decrypt one of them, let's say the logo, I would just drag and drop that, and it's usable. So that is really how using Spark encryption can speed up your process of being secure while not hurting your ability to be productive in a daily environment.